2026 Sandy Creek Nature Center. This is not Sandy Creek Park. This is the Nature Center. We're going to walk some of the trails. We're going to use the Insta360 X5 and also the Osmo Action 5. So you can see both of them, one on each. I don't know that much about the trails on this side. We've walked the trails on the other side going down to Sandy Creek over there. And then the other trail, the Greenway Trail that goes into Athens, but we haven't been on this side over here. This is part of the Piedmont restoration, where the Department of Natural Resources are trying to make the habitat more like it was in the Piedmont back years ago. I guess several hundred years ago. But let's take a walk down this trail here. I don't know where we're going to end up, and I don't know how long this camera, the X5, we're not changing the battery. We have to do short videos with it because the file sizes are so large, being that they are 360 degrees. You've got a nice little museum in there. They've got a big cottonmouth that they've had in there for a long time. They've got all kind of stuff. This is just a really nice park. Let's take off down this trail and see where we end up. Now the railroad track that we go to an awful lot is just through the woods over there on the other side of the North Oconee River. Oh look, got us a redbird. We've got us a redbird. I said it's the 10th of March, about 80 degrees, going to 83, 85, down to the mid to low 60s tonight, and then only to the mid 60s tomorrow, then down to 36 tomorrow night. This is the Kestrel Trail. Don't know whether it will wind down close to the North Oconee or not. If it does, the North Oconee will be muddy with all the rain we've had last night and lately. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, maybe an inch tomorrow. So walk along with us and let's see what we get into. I also have the S22 Ultra for still shots and some video if we want to use it to get some shorts or whatever. Yeah, I'm going to run this Insta360 up, so you won't be able to hear me talking on that. You may like that, I don't know. You may get tired of hearing me run my mouth. Yeah, but please like, share, subscribe, comment, ask questions. If I have any, I'll answer you questions. Even if I don't know it, I'll give you something wrong. I'll make up something. Woodpecker Way, overflow parking. We're not going to go to the parking. We're going to go Woodpecker Way. Look, there's woodpecker hole, several of them, and that old dead tree right there. This Insta360, we'll probably try to get maybe 2 or 3 5-minute clips. Those are just about manageable at least. We could go 10 minutes, but we may have to cut a bunch of it. We're going downhill. We may get down to the river. The little yellow blooms. This jasmine. These little yellow blooms, jasmine. I think we'll stop this video on both of these and then we'll start another one. It'll be a completely silent